This is a Grand Trunk Railroad Swing Bridge. It's built in 1911, and it's a modified 250 modified Pratt through truss with 160 modified Pratt through truss and spans. So you got a double swing bridge, and then you got the approach truss being on the left hand side. And the other was built in 1913. And so, and it crosses the Saginaw River in Bay City, Michigan. And that's another swing bridge right there, right? And so, and it's a Pratt through truss double swing bridge over the Saginaw River, and which is removed. It's located in Bay City, Michigan, which is the Pratt through truss.